Guys, can we have a deal? I will show you how to make money from Batman. Yeah, Batman. And if this video is good, if this video is informative and entertainment and helpful, like a lot of helpful, you think you can make money from this video, please do like this video and share this video. Deal? Whether it's a deal or not, I'm gonna tell you everything. So let's begin. Go to YouTube and search for the keyword Batman. Don't search, hit enter. And you'll find all these high search volume key phrases suggested by YouTube because YouTube knows they are hot. People are looking for this keyword. And they're thinking you might be also interested in this keyword, but we are not. We want to make money. So Batman trailer 2022, let's try this because I know Batman trailer 2022 is hot and it's not that hot. You see, 730 searches per month, not a big deal. But if you look at the views, the number of views of this trailer, 48 million in 5 months, 4.9 million views, 40 million views, don't worry. You and me are not gonna make this kind of views overnight. They are from authority channel, but there is a shortcut for us and the shortcut is shorts, right? So I searched here already, Batman trailer 2022 space hashtag shorts. Now you see 4 days ago 29 views, 3 weeks ago 3.7 million views. Okay, now these guys are also, I think, authority channel. We're looking for some very small tiny channels like ours and see some big views. Here is one, okay, 30,000 views in 13 days. Yay! This channel, look at this channel, they have only 267 subscribers. Come on, this is very basic. And go down below, you see trending videos, yeah, high search volume topic videos, and they're not getting huge views, to be honest, like 5 views, 3 views, 51 views, 106 views, 1000 views here and there, but they stick to hot topics, trending topics. Okay, and suggested by YouTube, and they got 61,000 views so far. Good one, really good. 28 videos of short 1-minute videos and 61,000 views, not bad at all. And the best part is, out of 61,000, 30,000 views came from one video. That's so cool. Now I'm going to show you one more search results that I have seen. So it's a Batman and hit space and you'll find Batman versus Superman. It's kind of all-time evergreen high search volume key phrase. Look at this, 5.82 million searches per month. How cool is that? And definitely it's not gonna be easy to rank on top for this key phrase. But when we tried with shorts, Batman versus Superman space short, again we found another channel that got 294,000 views in 7 months. How cool is that? I really want to know how much money this channel makes. So this is their channel, by the way. Again, it's a pretty basic channel and they make mostly short, like 1-minute videos, and they are also trending top, high search volume top. Look at this, they make $1,000 per month from Google AdSense, YouTube AdSense alone. Now let's come back to how you can make money right now, because YouTube AdSense has a process. You have to be approved as in the partner programs, and shorts may not make that much money. Also, there are niches that make a lot of money, like example affiliate marketing, example make money online niches like our niche. So what you can do is find hot topics just like that and make short. And from our channel, look at our channel is pretty basic and pretty small, but we keep making videos, helpful videos, so our viewers get benefits and they love to share our videos with their friends and family, and this way we get more and more views. We don't only depend on YouTube. YouTube also send good amount of viewers. So this way, look, in 90 days we got 61,000 views. How cool is that? And we make $5 average from each view. And I'll show you how we make money. When we get viewers, we ask them to visit our software and our offers. Like example, you can make shorts without being in front of the camera using our software Epic, and the link is in the description. Go check it out. Epic is free for trial. Okay, so go ahead, try Epic. Now, there are other awesome software that solves all types of problem, like website creation problem. You can just copy paste a link and your website is ready. There is a lead generation problem. You can turn any PDF into your opt-in page, so you can build list without using opt-in page. How cool is that? Only by using a PDF. And that PDF report will also work as a lead magnet. Anyway, so we have awesome softwares that we produce in our company. It's a 7-figure company, by the way. We make 7-figure, more than $1 million per year. That's not a big deal. We're talking about you making money. So let's look at one of our offers. It's called Shopspresso. It solves a big problem, and that's why we ask people to just go go ahead and have a look at Shopspresso. And this one happens every time somebody visits Shopspresso. I'll put a link, by the way, to the Shopspresso. Every time somebody visits the page, not everyone buys, but on the average, whenever someone decides to buy, on the average, we make $5 per visitor. How cool is that? So you can imagine how much money was made from 61,000 views. Another one, let me show you another one. This is also another offer of ours, Host Espresso. This also solves a big problem. A lot of people love to purchase. And again, we make $5, approximately $4.8 from every visitor on the average. Now let me show you. Hey Siri, how much is 61.5 thousand times 5?
61,500 times 5 is 307,500.
Now you know how much revenue was generated from this. And these are all basically completely affiliate, 100% our profit. We promoted our offer as affiliate. If you want to use our software and actually make shorts like this and get views and traffic, then you can use Epic, link in the description. I'll put another link on the top of the video so you can get to that and see how the software works. It's simple, pretty cool. Enough commercial, you can check it out yourself. And if you want to promote Host Espresso and Shop Espresso, is so easy. Go ahead, create a free Warrior Plus account. It's free. And then go to the affiliate section and open the offer section and search for the keyword Shop Espresso. You see, on this page only, on Warrior Plus only, we have more than 7,000, and across other platforms we have more than 20,000. All right, now you have to go click on this request button, and there you have to tell us how you're going to promote. So tell us that you are our YouTube subscriber and you want to promote using Shorts, etc., and we will approve you immediately. Then you click here on this link. You see this little link here? This is your affiliate link. If people click on this link and buy through this link, then you will make commissions. And you know how much commissions. The same thing you can do with Host Espresso. And Host Espresso also sold over 6,000 perhaps and converting really well. So similarly, you have to first request and send us a request telling us that you are our YouTube subscribers and you want to promote using Shorts or however you want to promote. Give us a detail and we will approve you immediately. Then go and click get your link and send your visitors to that link. They will buy and you'll make money. Super simple. So we started with how you can make money with Batman. Well, it's not really the case. You can make money using any keyword that YouTube suggests. You just make shorts about it. Get more traffic, get more viewers to your other videos as well, and send them to your affiliate offers and make money. It's super simple. No need to complicate it. By the way, all our software links are in the description. This is another advertisement. This is what we do, a lot of advertisements, but we also share good information. So I want this one thing from you. Please like our video, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. This way you will get notified when we upload a next money making video. But which is also very important for us, we will be really grateful if you do that. Share this video on your Facebook newsfeed, Twitter feed. Share this video with your friends and family on WhatsApp, on Messenger, and everywhere, so they also learn how to make money online. This way we get to more people and be able to help more people with our information, education, our softwares, and our offers. And the world would be a better place when everybody would be making good amount of money, right? So let's do all this and we will see you in the next video.